What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, euro dollar on the lower time frame, we could find a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade euro dollar. First of all, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at the monthly time frame, we see that euro dollar long term bearish. If you see this overall market, this is an extremely long term bearish market. Every month, the price was creating series of lower high and lower low. If you look at the recent time frame, we see that the previous months euro dollar has created this middleman, which is also a bearish continuation pattern, which has a long wick at the top and also long wick at the bottom. As soon as this market opened this month, we see that significant retracement to the upside. At this point, we see that euro dollar on the monthly perspective overextended. As you can see, this is the monthly opening and closing, which is the significant level of resistance. The price already penetrated this level. As this is a long-term bearish, we can now expect euro dollar to possibly come back down. If we take our Fibonacci for this move to the downside, we see that euro dollar in fact retraced significantly, which is almost over 38.2% Fibonacci level. Now, for this kind of strongly falling market, we can expect now euro dollar come back down again to continue its downtrend on the lower time frame. So let's look at now weekly time frame to see what kind of price action we have. Now, as you can see, this is the weekly time frame, which in fact creating series of lower high. It's a downtrend, nice looking pattern. You can see market structure creating series of lower high and lower low. Now this time we see that this weekly impulse is almost tested the previous swing low, which is the previous support zone here, acting here as a resistance. Now from that level, as this is a long-term bearish, we can expect a rejection to the downside. So monthly, weekly, we can see potential drop on euro dollar. Now let's look at the daily time frame. Now on the daily perspective, we have seen that euro dollar in fact has gone up aggressively in this direction, which is happens in a trending market. But if you look at this trend on euro dollar, this trend line, in fact the price already has broken to the upside. Now as you can see, there was on the daily time frame also, there was a head and shoulder has been created. Euro dollar has broken down. Now what we see on the daily perspective, in fact euro dollar is fully overextended in a downtrending market. This is the resistance here, which already we see that has broken to the upside. And euro dollar does this all the time, this kind of false breakout. Now, what we could potentially see that euro dollar may have created this false breakout to the upside on the lower time frame. With that being said, if we see that euro dollar started to drop, we could see a massive drop on euro dollar at least to this level, as we have seen an inverted head and shoulder or reversal pattern has been created here, has gone up against the trend, and this neckline has not been tested properly. So with that being said, on the lower time frame, after the news or before the news, we could potentially see some movement to the downside on euro dollar. Now on the intraday perspective, the price action looks like that it's a reversal. If you look at the past, all the time the reversal happened like this, creating a smaller candle and false breakout. Normally the price reversed. The same thing here, if you look at the past, creating a smaller candle and false breakout, the price started to reverse. So with that being said, what we see that the price is creating a smaller candle and kind of a little bit of false breakout here as well, that can signaling that euro dollar might have created this leg to the upside as a false breakout, and we could potentially see euro dollar is melting to the downside to continue its long term downtrend. So that is what we are expecting now according to the rules of our strategies. As soon as we will find suitable entry on euro dollar, we will take a big trade in this direction. If we see that euro dollar has created a false breakout, we'll take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button And also let us know what you think about the euro dollar, which way you think that euro dollar is likely to be heading. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.